Welcome guys. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create or edit your photos like this and also like this using just AI. So let's quickly get into it. Okay, here you're going to go head over to ChatGPT and you're going to input your image right here. So you're going to be importing your image. Once you get to import your image, you're going to select the particular image you're going to be needing to edit. So let's go with this one. This one looks pretty nice. You select it, click on open, then you're going to type in your prompt and you're just going to say add a girlfriend, right? Add a girlfriend to this image, as simple as that. Then hit generate. Once you hit generate, just gonna wait, hold on a little bit, and it's gonna actually generate your image. So you can see it's analyzing. This is the image we uploaded just in, right? And we're going to hold on a little bit. It's creating. And here is it. You've gotten your generated image, right? So here you can see that AI gave me a girlfriend. All right, she looks pretty nice. Then you just choose to download it. This is how you save them. You save the image right there, save it as PDF, right? Once you save it, it's going to be downloaded to your phone. So you can also choose to be like, okay, put us on matching outfits, right? Because if you notice, we are not on matching outfits, so we're trying to make the picture look more cooler. And now you're going to hit generate and it's going to actually start creating your image, right? Yeah, just hold on a little bit. Take a look. Just take a look. This looks so beautiful, right? Another way you can also achieve this is by using Nano Banana Pro. So Nano Banana Pro, you can access it in LM Arena. Then you hit direct chat. You change it from battle to direct chat. You also go, this is it. This is Nano Banana Pro. This is also Nano Banana Pro. That is Gemini 3 Pro image preview. This is it. So you pick any of them, input your image or import your image. Select the image you want to use for this edit. Click on open. Type in your prompt. You can use the same prompt, which is add a girlfriend to this image, right? Then make us a matching outfit so that to just do it all at once. Then you just have to be patient a little bit because it takes time. And voila, look at the result. It looks nice, it looks modest, it looks good. But if you are not satisfied, you can choose to retry. You can choose to retry your image. Then look at this result. Look at this wonderful. I think I love this one. I really do. The girlfriend is looking so amazing with the whole gilly on her hair and the attire. So you download it. Then this is it. So if you enjoyed this video and you found it really helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and hit the notification bell, okay? See you on the next one.